Samir, are you fond of reading novels and some extra books?
No, brother. Like always, I hate a reading part. Seriously, that's why reason I'm, very we can say my pronunciation is not good because whenever I try to reading, I feel too bored, brother. I do not understand a word and sentence and story. Seriously, I have a
No,
this.
but reading play a vital role in conversation or in a
Yes,
step of learning English.
yeah, right, right.
Because if you read means you can learn something better, right? Like you learn some vocabulary, some new sentences, some new words. So reading
Yes.
is, I think, helpful.
Yeah, reading is very important, brother. Seriously, whenever we try to reading, many people talk about reading means what? Over there, we can learn a story, we can learn a grammar, we can learn a
Yeah,
spelling mistake also, we can learn a pronunciation, we can improve our reading skill also, and we can destroy our hesitation and fear because we are trying to reading a books and novel, anything. Just take example,
yeah,
anything. Just read a book, any newspaper. If we try to read a daily basis, automatically our pronunciation will be correcting what we are
yeah.
talking about. And
You know,
communication is,
whenever I get chance, when I get a free time, I read books.
oh,
And
I
there are
see.
so
What?
many friends who suggested me, so Prince, read this book, read that book. So I followed it.
Okay, that's
And
good.
now I feel that it helps us a lot. It helps me a lot.
Yeah, obviously, like over there, we can, if we concentrate a reading part, we will learn a vocabulary, and without vocabulary, brother, we cannot talk in front of people about English language. So reading is very important. We will get a knowledge, and we can concentrate what we are talking about. We can hear our pronunciation also
Yeah,
whenever we try reading like loudly. We can work our tongue, we can work our pronunciation and communication, and we can say like we will correct our grammar part also over there. Reading books is, we can say like in a easy sentence over there, about newspaper, about any comic, any way novels, we can say. So over there, they make a story very simple word, simple sentence. That's why region, lots of people are prefer to reading. Everyone suggests you, like if you want to improve your communication, just try to reading part. Every people suggest you, but very few people accept this thing about a reading, brother. Seriously, very few people. I have a lots of book, brother. I have a lots of book. I'm a passion about I collected lots of book, we can say like this one, and Big Bang Theory, and attitude is everything.
oh
And
God, I am reading that book. Attitude is everything.
yeah, word power made easy.
Yeah.
See, you can see it's a very big one. It's very big one. We can say like this book provided by like how to improve your vocabulary. But whenever I try to reading, I get a feel bored, brother, and it's very difficult word in here in this book.
So Samir,
They
you
make.
have to not complete the whole book in a 1 day or 2 day. You have to read 2 pages or 3 pages in a day. You have to not you don't take a means you don't take a perception like this. Have to complete all the books in 1 day, in 2 hours, in 3 hours. Not that way. Because you are reading because you want to learn something from that.
Yes,
And if
right.
your attention is only completing that book, nothing you will learn. So
Yeah,
you
right,
have to
right.
complete whenever you get a free time. So oh, I have to complete 2 pages. So I will learn this. I will learn. Just note down what you learn from that. And you have
Okay.
to also note which meaning you don't know, and then search on Google and then find out that.
So you were talking about like I have also attitude is
Ah,
everything.
I am
That one,
reading
am I right?
that book. I
Okay,
have
you.
completed 52 pages of that book,
Oh, I
and I love
see.
this book. One of my friend whose name is Prashant has suggested me.
Okay. So, brother, like please tell me about how do you understand about reading? For example, like if I open this page, if I turn on like we can say just a first chapter. I don't know what is the first chapter. Actually, long time ago I was reading. Nowadays I'm not trying to read. That's why reason I forget. Okay. Yeah, we can say. The night that changed my life. Am I right? The night that changed my life. So what about your side? Like, how do you read a books? Like only for one paragraph and two paragraph like that? How do you read yourself and understand? You're getting
I
my
read
point?
continuously. I read continuously, and whenever I don't understand some meaning, so I relate that to that sentence. That what that sentences want to tell us.
Okay.
Means
Oh, I see.
sometimes you don't know the exact meaning of that word, but when you
Yeah.
read before and after of that word in a sentence, then you will understand what author want to say.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so it is easy. If you don't know that word, you can make the so if you complete that sentence, so
Okay.
you understand. Oh, these kind of things author is telling. Yeah,
Okay.
I also means I also felt so many times I don't know the word.
Okay.
But if
There
you
are
read
many.
the whole sentences, you find the rough idea what author wants to say.
Yeah. For
Yeah,
example, if we take any paragraph, like short
yeah.
paragraph, but there like many word is different, many word is new for us. Okay. So
Yeah.
how do we learn those word about our daily routine? For example, I'm going to tell a new word like I get here. I don't mark. Just wait. I'm going to tell one of things like upswing. Here we first chapter upswing. I think you are not seeing. Okay, upswing. So how to use how to remember this word our daily conversation. Are
So
you getting my
if
point?
you,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. So if you learn a new word, you don't only know that, oh, I know that word. So you have to also use that word in your conversation.
Okay. Mhm.
Yesterday or day before yesterday, I learned a new word that is loophole. Loophole in Hindi,
What
it's called loophole. Loophole. In
look
Hindi, it's
for?
called khamya.
Oh, I like mistake. Maybe. Oh, okay. Not
Yeah,
mistake, but
loophole.
how do we call a English
For example, you
loophole?
can say that there are so many loopholes in our system. There are so many
Yes.
khamya in our system.
Right. Right.
So I
Absolutely.
also use these words in our conversation so that I can, in my mind, it get attached. So not only
Okay.
know that I know all these meanings, I know one page word meaning. Nothing matters. How you use that word in your conversation, that is matter.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. You're right. It's a very, over there we can say like we do practical, then we will remember forever, I think.
Yeah, right. And Samir, at first definitely you will got a lot of difficulty while reading. You don't know the meaning of that word, and you don't. Sometimes you also don't understand what author want to say. But time
Yeah.
to time, when you started reading, and when you
Okay.
used to read, I think
Uh,
your all problem will be gone.
Yeah,
I
definitely,
know I
brother.
have a passion of reading novels since I was in class 6 or 7.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Yeah,
I think you love to reading. That's
yeah,
why
definitely.
you can say easy like about reading and about understanding. But brother, I remember that my college time, I wasn't, like master on reading part. Always I run from this thing, like reading. But definitely I will try. I will make a habit about reading because reading is, we can say, it's very important to communication. This thing build our confidence, build our English language. We can say we reach a top level like advanced level if you try to reading skill. We can make a, we can improve a advanced level. So it's very important reading part. I love it,
You
this
do,
it is.
you
I will
don't
apply my.
want to read, but you have a lots of book. Please supply me.
Yes, of course I will brother, seriously. So anyway, brother, it's a long time. I mean, we can say like our video is going to lengthy. So right now I'm going to stop here, and it was amazing conversation. We share each
Yeah,
other fantastic and many thing about reading, listening, watching, speaking. It's amazing. Seriously, I'm happy with you today.
yeah, same here.
Yeah. Okay. So see you, brother, and we will meet
Okay,
next video. Okay, if possible, whenever you free, please try to connect with me. We will make a good conversation. Okay.
okay. Sure. Bye. Have a good night.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Have a good day, brother.